Is this the app that could actually replace Discord? I just found a platform called Root App, and a lot of people are calling it a Discord competitor. Now, I won't fully call it that yet, because it started in beta, but it's now publicly available, and after testing it, I've got thoughts. Let's start with the UI. The first thing you notice is how different, but familiar, it feels. Instead of the traditional server list on the side like Discord, Root uses a browser-style tab system across the top. Every server you join opens like a tab, and honestly, switching between communities feels fast and clean. I actually really like this approach. On the left, you've got members listed. In the center, your chat. And server info is simplified. One small detail I loved. Channels can have custom images next to them, not just hashtags or emojis. It makes servers feel more visually unique. Now, feature-wise, it's still early. Profiles are very minimal. No advanced customization yet. Bots and integrations are basically non-existent right now. But some things stand out. The biggest one, you can keep DMs open while browsing servers. On Discord, you're either in a server or in your DMs. Here, you can message someone privately and still stay inside your community chat at the same time. That alone feels like something Discord should have added years ago. Creating a server is simple. You can customize channel icons. There are text channels, voice channels, and even experimental interactive channel types. Voice chat actually works well. I tested voice and screen sharing, and after the initial connection adjustment, quality was stable and usable. Notifications are clean, and the ping sound? Honestly more satisfying than Discord's. There's also a feature that lets you reply to multiple messages at once, something even Discord still doesn't support properly. Now, let's be real. Is Root better than Discord right now? No. Discord is far more mature. It has bots, huge communities, advanced moderation tools, and years of development behind it. Root is still early stage, but that doesn't mean it's not promising. The tab system is smart. DM integration is genuinely better, and the design feels modern without being overwhelming. The real question is this. If Discord continues making controversial policy changes and pushing stricter verification systems, could newer apps like Root gain serious traction? Right now, Root isn't replacing Discord, but it's planting the seed. And if it keeps improving, especially with bots and developer tools, it could become a serious competitor in the future. So will this replace Discord? Not today, but it's one of the first alternatives that actually feels like it could try.